kid walks into my gym and says that he wants to be an MMA fighter. And then I asked him what discipline he specializes in, and he didn't really specialize in any one particular discipline. So I pushed him towards kickboxing. And that's how we started.
So is this your warm-up, or have you started warming up?
We understand each other. Coach, a friend. I've got his back and his best intentions at heart.
You can't do that, and you can't do it.
Technique, let's see, what's technique, what's it?
It's only 40 seconds.
We work well. It's like beautiful yin and yang, flamboyant. And he never tries to dull me down. But he never let me not be me.
His ability to reach the goals that he sets, that's probably strongest than any other athlete I've ever coached.
The last Stylebender, Adesanya!
He has this undeniable belief that through sheer will and determination, he will achieve the undisputed middleweight championship of the world.
I will be the next middleweight champion because I've said it. I've done the work. I wasn't born for this. I built myself for this.
Sunday once more, the last Stylebender, Adesanya!
The UFC needs stars. They need people who can shake up the landscape a little bit. I've always been an entertainer. I'm a dancer by nature. I want to be seen.
Mr. Look at Me. It's definitely some old shit from some old childhood need. It is part of who I am. It's created a world that I like to live in.